I started sewing about a year ago and I'm completely self-taught. I mean, I took a couple of classes here and there with an instructor just to learn about like the logistics of the machine, how to use it. But other than that, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and a lot of trial and error is how you learn how to make mistakes and what not to do. And that's just helped me into becoming the designer that I am. Essentially, I upcycle, so I take vintage, pre-loved, and dead stock material and rework them into one-of-a-kind designs that are handmade by myself and 100% sustainable. It's just something I've always enjoyed. Ever since I was a kid, I used to steal my older sister's hand-me-downs and rework them into new things that better suited my style, and now I'm just kind of making a business out of it.